suppose for me, a home is somewhere that I want to feel comfortable, secure, and just enjoy life. Nice outlook, quiet, peaceful. We loved the house. Whenever the house became available, and we had a wee look at the house, but it was the one thing that we felt just a wee bit of TLC, and it was going to make a massive difference to the outlook, and just pretty much what we felt about the house as well. And obviously for a longer term point of view, it was certainly going to be beneficial. Fortunately, I just came across LTI and noticed they were in Bathgate, an area I knew quite well and I was in reasonably regularly, and took the opportunity, just popped in one day. And that was certainly one of the key things that gave me a very good first impression. Just being able to walk into the office here, speak to somebody face to face. Everybody was friendly, nothing too much trouble, gave me a lot of information, explaining, but at the same time, very professional and very knowledgeable about the product and the services that you guys provide. The time in getting the job done for me, I couldn't ask for any more. I just couldn't believe how keen is maybe the wrong word, but they certainly got tore in, never stopped, they just worked their socks off. Very minimal disruption as well. You would hardly know there had been. Love it. Absolutely love it. It's just added that extra edge. I mean, we love the house. Just knowing that that's the case initially, and obviously with your product, the cleaning in your product on the top of it, it gives us a lot of comfort that we're going to have a good number of years, hopefully maintenance free. I think suddenly we had everything that we had really ever dreamed about, and as the sort of moving process had progressed, I think we had kind of came to the realisation that we maybe weren't quite going to get everything that we would have hoped for, and then suddenly we did. It just felt right. It's a proper setup, and there was not one other company that I was looking at could give me that comfort.